Sunil Ramakrishna. See the few pages of my book basically, which is created. These all are basically connected with the earthquakes. One person basically asked the question, earthquake basically, or how basically earthquakes comes basically. So the best answer is decode the data of, for example, Mumbai land basically have 300 floor buildings. Assume that basically. So how that 300 floor building basically is standing basically. If you will track that basically, then everything basically gets comes into the picture basically. One of the person told me it's not possible here basically the 300 floor basically building basically standing. That is not possible basically. So that basically is the magic basically. That how basically the buildings are standing basically. So to create that 300 floor only basically it might have taken 70-80 years basically. That Mumbai is going to create 300 floor building basically. So according to that basically they have created the land basically. So you can just imagine basically Mumbai is going to create 300 floor building basically. That was tracked by the people who are into the land creation. They basically started creating the land of Mumbai basically. So you can just imagine basically how the earthquakes are created. One of the person told that yeah, we Mumbai may just now basically when moving Mumbai basically the earthquake came basically. That is connected with which land creation basically. So you can just imagine, assume that basically to create Mumbai land basically it has taken around 3 lakh year basically. Just taking as an example. So whenever basically the earthquake comes to Mumbai land, that time basically one of the person told, is it possible that basically this earthquake basically came from which year of land creation? So the satellite group basically told that that data basically Sunil we need to search here basically. This is very dangerous question basically. So one of the satellite person told that basically let me search basically which satellite basically created the lands basically and which satellite basically is connected with the earthquakes basically. So both data basically got compared and he told that basically Sunil basically just now basically the earthquake basically came in Mumbai land that is basically connected with 1,50,000 year old data basically. So when basically 1,50,000 year data basically was land data basically was getting created, that time basically data is connected with this earthquake just now basically came. So one of the person told that yeah, up to this level data basically earth planet might not be having because 3 lakh year old data with 3 lakh year old data basically. That basically how you can keep the 3 lakh year data basically. Because you require the proof also. If you are dumping the data into the computer basically, you require the proof. Without proof basically you can't answer the data basically. So you can just imagine basically up to what level the earthquakes are connected. So that's why basically one of the person told that this book basically is very dangerous book basically. It's not dangerous basically, it's a knowledgeable book basically. The person basically who is into the knowledge basically, collecting the knowledge basically. For that group basically, this book is important basically. So see basically how the Mumbai land got created and how basically the Mumbai land is getting the power supply. So one of the person told that when the land is getting power supply, that power supply is also connected with the Mumbai land creation. Assume that basically Mumbai land creation basically in next video basically we will see that.